everyone's running kimono. So we're at Walgreens, we're in store, and we're hunting for this Bounty paper towel because I made a video this morning where it would be like really cheap. There was one snag, and I want to be like, watch this before you shop in case you have the same problem as I, just to make sure that you're on the same page. My register reward did not print. My friend Cody in Iowa, same thing happened to him. A lot of people were saying the same thing. So you'll have to ask the manager or possibly get in touch with Catalina. I'll leave a video on how to do that, or call customer service and say, my register reward didn't print, and be super nice. It's right there that you buy two of these. A $6 one is supposed to print. Maybe it wasn't coded right, or who knows. But it's not printing for a lot of us, just to note that. For this deal, we're also going to need this 8 off of 2. And guys, sometimes with couponing, you got to take a risk. You got to roll the dice. You got to make it happen for cheap paper towel. I would do this no matter what, even if you have to write to Catalina. Anyhow, we're going to need this guy loaded, which is an 8 off of 2, and it's working for the Bounty paper towel. It is not attaching to the Charmin. Not that I scanned a bunch in the store and nothing is attaching, just a chintzy dollar coupon. So we're going to have to go with paper towel for this dealio. I still had this on my store card, which is 5 back when you spend 20, so I can use it once per store card. So I was going to use it with this deal because I thought it was a really great one. So just to jog through the math one more time, grab 2 of the Bounties for $21.98, subtracting that 8 off of 2, plus I had my booster loaded. I paid $13.98 with my debit card. Then I got back $5 in Walgreens cash for my booster, and then the lovely manager gave me back $6 in Walgreens cash. I should have got a register reward. It makes it $2.98 for the 2, or $1.49 per. Let's remember not to use any Walgreens cash to pay or store register rewards if you're using that booster, which is the 5 back when you spend 20. And again, can't stress it enough, be super uber sweet to your managers, and just say, hey, listen, it's tagged, I really need some help. And most managers will just credit you that, or alternatively, you can call customer service or write to the Catalina company. So one of 3 options. This is definitely one that you're going to have to do as a curbside pickup, because the curbside price on the app for these 3 packs of the puffs is $7.49. It's an extra 50 cents in store, and we have that wonderful 4 off of 2 that expires at the end of the month. So I may wait a week or 2 on this digital coupon and see what we can come up with, but that is some cheap clean, or you can't call it Kleenex, some cheap puffs with that 4 off of 2. I would throw in $10 of Walgreens cash and pay the balance, but I'm probably going to do this guy as a curbside pickup. Okay, now the Tide Simply, this is 4 for $9. I have a family member who really likes this, and I didn't really have any in my stockpile, so I'm like, you know what? We're going to go with some liquid detergent this week. So I grabbed 4 of these. Now, specifically, I have a bunch of these $4 store coupons that I've been collecting in the last couple weeks. It's like an IVC. It's just a weird coupon, so I wanted to use it with this because we're not really earning anything back, and it's just a good use of this little store coupon. So just to break down the math, if you want to just do the same deal as I grabbed 4 of the Tide Simplies for $9. I used that $4 store coupon, and I also threw in $5 in Walgreens cash. I was feeling rich, and I just paid down the tax, so that was like super duper nice. That Bounty deal, I would move on it. When you can get paper products that cheap, it's like run to the store, don't walk. Okay, the next store that we have is Walmart. Okay, so over at Walmart, you're going to go to the feminine care aisle, and this is a newer line called Queen V. You're going to grab a wash, a wipe, and then a bar soap. Again, feminine care aisle for the ladies. And this all amounts to like $11.94. And Shopkick has like 4,100 points back, which is like $16 and some change. It makes it free plus a $4 moneymaker. What you're paying out of pocket up front is like just around like $11.94. It still makes it a really good deal. And because this is a Shopkick bundle, yes, you need one of each. You just can't buy like one product, just to note that. So yes, you're going to need the Shopkick app, and double triple check that you have this specific rebate, because Shopkick is weird. Sometimes they have stuff, sometimes they don't. But as you can see, 3,800, and then you get an extra 300 point bonus. So that makes it 4,100 100 points for this. So yes, I hope it resets. So a wash, a wipe, and a bar is $11.94, and then you're getting back 4,100 Shopkick points, which is $16.40. It makes this free plus a $4.46 money maker, and this is Walmart only. And 250 Shopkick points is $1. So if you divide 250 to 4,100, that's how I'm getting the $16.40. Just to note that, because a lot of you are probably like, "Well, how are you doing that?" That's how. Okay, the next store that we have is Meijer, which is in the Midwest only. No sister stores to this store. And I've been doing this deal for like a week and a half, and I haven't brought it to you guys, so apologies in advance. So the 9 elements, we have a trigger spray for $5.99. We have a digital coupon for $5. It drops that trigger spray on the right down to 99 cents. Now, if you are all about the Dawn Power Wash, it'll fit on the refill of this. The refill for this is $4.99. So with that $5 coupon, it's free. You're just paying down the tax. And the tax for me was 30 cents, one per store account. I did this on mine and my husband's store card. And this product is not bad. I did a little review a couple days ago on this. I'll link it at the end. It smells like lemons. There is no vinegar odor. And I'm like not about that vinegar smell. I hate it, but this is a lot different. So you might want to check it out if you have a Meijer grocery store. And I do know that Target and Kroger was also doing some sort of specials on this in the last couple of weeks. It's a newer product, and it is not bad. Okay, so the last store that we have is Dollar Tree, and I went in there to buy some stuff, and I didn't even buy what I needed. I just wanted to buy some cleaner, so go figure. So the Clorox with Tilex, this is for mold and mildew. This is a smaller bottle. It's $1.25. I wish it was still $1. This is slightly a smaller bottle. It's not the big mammoth that you find at Meijer, but still for, Clorox bathroom. We haven't had a lot of coupon deals. It wasn't what it was pre-pandemic, where there was a lot of deals, especially at Rite Aid and stuff, but I don't really shop there anymore. But just to find Clorox Tilex at Dollar Tree for $1.25, it's a really good deal. And yes, Dollar Tree accepts manufacturers. I'm not sure if there's one out there for this, or one of the rebate apps might have like $1 back here or there. Wouldn't that be nice? But unfortunately, I couldn't find anything. But if this is your thing for cleaning your bathroom, by all means, pick some up. Last item that I grabbed, because I am deeply curious about this product, which is the Palmolive Spray Away. Now, if it's ending up at the Dollar Tree, and I know it's on clearance at a whole bunch of different stores, such as the Dollar General, I think this is going to be a discontinued product. I mean, it's like the last stop before at the Dollar Tree. And this is kind of a smaller bottle in comparison to what they have at Dollar General, but just a product I was deeply curious about. This kind of came out the same time as Dawn Power Wash, and I think we know who won that match if this is at the Dollar Tree. But if you guys want a review on this, please like this video and I will do one for you guys. I like reviewing cleaning products. But yeah, $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. I know there was also a hang tag coupon found at Meijer and Walmart. I mean, I couldn't even find one. I didn't have one in my coupon binder. I wish I did, because I would have tried it on this at the Dollar Tree to make it really cheap. But I paid the $1.25 because I really wanted to try this product, and I think it's probably going to be discontinued if it's at the Dollar Tree. Okay, that's it for this video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.